Dear students, this is part 6 of the video on set theory operations on real numbers. The students are advised to view earlier 5 parts before starting to view this problem. In part 5, I was solving an inequality problem with the help of set theory operations. This was the problem which we were trying to solve. Solve the inequality minus 2x plus 8 less than x square less than or equals 4x plus 5. Use the method of set theory operations. We had discussed to divide the problem in 3 statements. These are the 3 statements in which the problem has been divided. Then we discussed about the precaution that if any 2 out of 3 statements are satisfied, it is possible that third statement is not satisfied. Hence, all the 3 statements are to be considered at the same time. After that, we solved the 3 statements and derived their solution set. A is the solution set of statement 1. B is the solution set of statement 2. C is the solution set of statement C. Now we are going to carry out the next steps to solve this inequality. Now derive a set such that statement 1 and statement 2 and statement 3 are satisfied. By set theory, we know that the word AND means intersection. Hence, the intersection of the solution sets of 3 statements is our solution. That is, our solution set is S equals A intersection B intersection C. We will derive the intersection by number line method. The first step of number line method is to list the critical points. The critical points of set A are minus 4 and 2. Minus 4 and 2. The critical points of set B are minus 1 and 5. They are written minus 1 and 5. The critical point of C is 1 by 2, which is written here as 1 by 2. The next step of number line method is to arrange these critical points in ascending order. The minimum is minus 4, next minus 1, next 1 by 2, next 2 and next 5. So these critical points have been written in the ascending order. The next step is to draw set A, B and C on number line and then derive the intersection. Draw the real number line . And show all the critical points on it in ascending order. Below the real number line, draw set A, B and C on number line. Set A is minus 4 is not the element of set A, hence it is shown as a donut. 2 is not the element of set A, hence it is also shown as a donut. The interval between minus infinity and minus 4 is the element of set A, hence it is shown as a firm line. The interval between 2 and infinity is the element of set A, hence it is also shown as a firm line. This is the number line representation of set A. Now draw the set B. B set is minus 1 is the element of set B, hence a dot is shown. 5 is the element of B, hence a dot is shown for 5. The interval between -1 and 5 is the element of B, hence a firm line is drawn between -1 and 5. Now let us draw set C. Set C is half is to infinity. 1 by 2 is not the element of C, hence a donut is shown for half. The interval between half and infinity is the element of the set, hence a firm line is shown for the number line representations of set A, B and C have been drawn. With the help of these representations, number line of intersection will be drawn. In these number line representations, the critical points are aligned from top to bottom of the paper. For drawing the number line of intersection, this convention will be taken care of. This convention makes the procedure easy and speedy. First of all, we will consider the status of critical points. -4 is not the element of A, hence it is not the element of intersection also. Hence, a donut is shown for the point -4. -1, 1 by 2 and 2 are not the elements of A. Hence, they cannot be the elements of the intersection. Hence, donuts are shown for these points. Five is the element of A, it is the element of B, and it is the element of C. Hence, critical point 5 is the elements of intersection also. Hence, a dot is shown for the critical point 5. Now, we will consider the intervals. The interval between -infinity and -4 is the element of A, but it is not the element of B. Hence, it cannot be the element of intersection. The interval between -4 and -1, the interval between -1 and 1 by 2, and the interval between 1 by 2 and 2 are not the elements of set A. Hence, they cannot be the element of intersection. The interval between 2 and 5 is the element of A, element of B, and element of C. Hence, it is the element of intersection also. Hence, a firm line is shown for the interval between 2 and 5. The interval between 5 and infinity is the element of A, but is not the element of B. Hence, it cannot be the element of intersection. Thus, we have arrived at the number line representation of A union B union C. With the help of this number line representation, we can write the set in bracket form. The interval between 2 and 5 is the element of the intersection. 2 is not the element of the intersection. Hence, this end has been closed with a small bracket. 5 is the element of the intersection. Hence, this end has been closed with a square bracket. This is the solution to our given inequality. Dear students, we have solved an inequality problem with the help of set theory operations. This is the end of part 6 of the video on set theory operations on real numbers. In my next video, we will solve a domain problem with the help of set theory operations. If you had liked the video, please subscribe the channel. Post your comments and queries. Thanks for watching the video.